Okay, folks, welcome to Red Pill Markets. Today is April the 29th, 2020. Markets closed. Markets closed up nicely. Dow Jones was up over 2%, almost 2.25%. We still think it's going to go to 25,230 before we start having issues. 25,230 for the Dow Jones. Let's look at QQQ, which is NASDAQ. NASDAQ is at 219. It was up 3.55% today. It's going to go at least to 222 before it starts having issues. Let's look at SPY. SPY is about where we think it's going to go, 293. So since it's right at 293, it might go up to 313. So it could possibly go up to 313 before we start having any major issues. But just looking at the pattern here, it looks like probably tomorrow it'll probably pull back down to like maybe 278 and then start heading up to the 313 level. Let's look at IWM. IWM, we expect it to go to 141 before having any major issues. So up another 4 or 5% for IWM. IWM was up 5% today. Let's look at XLF financials. Okay, financials. We expect financials to go to at least 24.43 before having any major issues. So remember, without financials going up, the markets really don't go up. Financials have been doing pretty good in the last few days. Basically, they went from like 21 to 23. Financials have been up about 10% the last week or so. So today we were pretty conservative. We only had a 30% exposure to risk. So we probably gained like 1.5%, which isn't bad, only having 30% allocated to risk. The other 70% wasn't put on stable value. We kept it the same way for tomorrow. Tomorrow, will not be surprised if there's a pullback. If it doesn't happen tomorrow, most likely it'll happen Friday and Monday. So we're just being conservative at this point. One of our buddies, and he's normally pretty good, David Frost, he normally tries to tell us where to expect pullbacks at. So if he's saying we're looking for a top, which is probably it'll probably be what he's talking about tonight. That means normally within 3 or 4 days, you've known that you made at least a temporary top, and then you come back like 4 or 5, maybe even 6% before heading back up. So listening to Dave, listening to our buddy Manarino, we're listening to our buddy K Kim. We watch some other chartists, people who've been doing it a lot longer than us. And we're just taking their advice for now. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Later.